How will you shut down?
I have to clean it first.
That's been cleaned already. You just go back. Good. She's no shut down. Confirm shut down. Yes. Okay. Just see what the machine. That means that you have forgotten. I'm trying to tell you that you have forgotten to clean your system, but the machine did not forget to clean itself. So it will tell you that you must clean me before you shut me down. So you see, what you see is doing now, it's trying to prepare itself for shutting down. Though nothing is going on like that though. That's why you see it's still on green. You see, but something is going on at the same time. It's just preparing itself to shut down. Yes. See what it's telling you. After the beaker and probe cleaning. See, after the beaker and probe cleaning, fluid are ready. Please click the next button. Click.
Next.
See, it will come out now. See, it's on operation now. Now you're carrying it to operation. See, can you see? Yes. It has come out. It's telling me that you should clean me before I go off. So carry this stuff. So next, just hold it. Just hold while you're holding it. Next. You see, it's gone back. It has picked. It has picked the enzyme. So it's doing the cleaning. It takes about 10 minutes to shut down. So it's going to take you. It's going to clean itself. Clean itself. Clean, and clean. You understand? Clean, and clean before you finally go off. You understand?
Yes.
Once it goes off, it will actually inform you that. In fact, you won't even say anything. Just go off itself. It will shut up. So what you need to do is just to go off the switch and then maybe take out the plug. Please remember to always take out the plug. Why am I saying this? Because during rainy season we used to have thunderstorm, and this building doesn't have thunder arrestor. So this is one of the bane of lab equipment. Yes. So we need to wait until this guy it will shut down itself and all that. Your result is valid. You can show your boss. The result is valid. Yes.